Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. For today's video, it's my bridal makeup collection. So this is my own bridal makeup collection. I'm getting married on the 24th of May this year, and maybe because of the pandemic situation, the dates can get changed. But yeah, so I had ordered all of this makeup online from Nykaa. So some of the makeup is from my side and some of the makeup is from the groom side. So उनके side का makeup मेरे पास नहीं है. So I'll be just putting out screenshots of the makeup and you guys will be able to see. Some of the points that I want to include before we start with the video are, since this is a makeup collection video, I am not going to include any of my skincare collection. So if you guys want to see my bridal skincare collection, you can comment down below. And second is that this video is going to be really quick since बहुत makeup items है, मैं हर makeup item का review नहीं दे पाऊंगी. So I'll let you guys know the makeup that I have already used and जो makeup मैं नया try out करने वाली हूँ. And so yeah, we'll start with every category. हम sequence wise start करेंगे. जैसे first is going to be the concealer, second is going to be the mascara, whatever जो भी step wise है मैं वैसे makeup include करूँगी. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Very first makeup item is a primer. For that I have the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer in 30 ml. So हम प्राइमर कोई भी बेस लगाने से पहले लगाते हैं. जो भी हमारे स्किन पे पोर्स होता है या अनइवन टेक्सचर होता है उसे ब्लर आउट कर देता है and it provides a very smooth canvas for the makeup. And yeah, so this is a product that I haven't used before. I have ordered it reading all the good reviews on Nykaa. So yeah, this is the first product. Okay, so the next makeup item is a concealer. So it's the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade medium, and I have raved about this concealer in a lot of videos of mine. I love this concealer. The coverage is really nice and the shade medium suits me really well. I am someone who does not like applying foundations. मैंने काफ़ी foundations पहले use किए हुए हैं but none of them suited me. Of course, on my wedding day, my makeup artist will be applying foundation on me, but personally, I did not want to invest in one. This concealer I've been using since a lot of years, and yeah, if you're someone who's looking for a really nice concealer, you can definitely check this one out. Okay, so the next makeup item is a powder. So it's the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder and it's in the shade 15. And yeah, so this is a new product for me. इससे पहले मैं Maybelline का जो pressed powder है मैं वो use कर रही थी to set my base. But yeah, I was looking for a loose powder since the longest time and अभी मैंने ये वाला order किया है. So yeah, I'm going to use it and I'll be sharing it with you guys if I like it or not. I've heard some really good reviews about it, and so yeah, this is my next product. Okay, so the next item is a blush. For this, I have the Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo in the shade Resilient Bombshell. इसमें दो shades आते हैं, Rose and Raisin. And the reason I picked up this product is because of two very different colors. One is a very light pink and second एक बहुत ही nice mauve brown shade है. And this can be used for a little bit of contouring or bronzing as well. And ये काफ़ी अच्छा सा pink shade है. इससे पहले भी मैं Nykaa का ही blush use करी थी, but in some other variant which I've given it to my mom. So yeah, this one I have applied it today and I really like it. इसका जो pigmentation है वो बहुत ज़्यादा है. इसका हल्का सा कम है and I'll be entering all the swatches and everything here so you can check it. The reason I love the Nykaa Blush Duo is because दो colors आते हैं and budget friendly भी है. So if you're looking for a nice blush, you can check this one. Okay, so the next product is a brow pencil. For this, I have the Benefit brow pencil and it's the mini version. So for the longest time, I was looking for a really nice brow pencil and Nykaa पे मैंने जितने भी reviews देखे, people had rated this like the best one. And I understand it's a little expensive, but अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा spend नहीं करना है, आप mini version के साथ जा सकते हो. इसमें काफ़ी अच्छा product size आ जाता है. The packaging is so beautiful, and yeah, so I have used it today and I really like the precision. I really like the color. So you can check this product out. Okay, so next up are two eyeshadow palettes and both the eyeshadow palettes are a little expensive. So if you guys are looking for a budget friendly eyeshadow palette, you can check the Maybelline one out. उसमें colors काफ़ी अच्छे हैं. The consistency नहीं, sorry. The texture is really nice. The pigmentation is really nice. So you can check that one out. And अभी के लिए I have the Huda Beauty palette and it's the Topaz Obsessions. इस पे 9 शेड्स आते हैं एंड सब ब्राउन अंडरटोन्स के हैं. There's a golden, there's a dark brown, light brown, yellow. The shades are really nice and warm. And I got this on a 50% off जब पहले sale था. So I got this on a sale. I think I got this for 2,500 or 3,000, whatever is the amount, it'll be there down below. The mirror is really nice and मुझे से handy packaging वाले आई शेडो पैलेट्स काफ़ी अच्छे लगते हैं जो मिनी वर्जन में आते हैं, so that you know whenever I'm traveling it I can just pop this in. And जो second वाला है that's by MAC and it's the Stroke of Midnight Eyes Warm something. It comes in I think 5 shades if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so it comes in 5 shades. एंड इसका जो शेड्स है वो काफ़ी प्रिटी एंड काफ़ी डिफरेंट है दूसरा आई शेडो पैलेट से. इसमें देयर इज अ ब्राउन अगेन बट देयर इज अ ब्लैक एंड देयर इज अ गोल्डन एंड उसमें थोड़ा चंकी ग्लिटर था, इसमें बहुत ही फाइन ग्लिटर है. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो ग्रेट फॉर ट्रैवलिंग एंड इफ आई एम लुकिंग फॉर अ नाइट मेकअप लुक मैं ईजिली इससे क्रिएट कर सकती हूँ. इट कम्स विद अ लिटिल ब्रश जिसकी क्वालिटी भी बहुत अमेजिंग है. And yeah, the mirror is also nice and it's travel friendly and this is the second eyeshadow palette. Okay, so next up is a highlighter and the highlighter is by Nykaa and ये जो makeup product है वो उनके side से है, so I don't have it with me and it's a new makeup item for me. Like I haven't used the Nykaa highlighter before, so I'm yet to use it and yeah, so you'll be seeing screenshots of it somewhere here and I have read really good reviews about it. So yeah, I'll be using it and I'll let you know if I like it or not. The next product is a liner and it's the Calabar liner, the waterproof liquid eyeliner. And this liner also you must have seen in a lot of videos of mine. I absolutely love this one. मैं काफ़ी टाइम से इसे यूज़ कर रही हूँ. इट्स कम्प्लीटली ब्लैक एंड ये मैट नहीं है, इसमें मैट वर्जन भी आता है इफ़ यू आर समवन हु लाइक्स टू यूज़ मैट लाइनर्स एंड इट स्टेज ऑन द आईज फॉर अ वेरी वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम एंड या आई रियली लाइक दिस. आई हैव अप्लाइड दिस वन नाउ एंड ये एक न्यू पैक है. So if you're looking for a really nice eyeliner which is black in color, which is waterproof, you can definitely check this one out. Okay, so the next makeup item is a kajal. Normally I use the L'Oreal Pot Kajal. I love that kajal. It's completely black and it comes with a brush and I love using that one. But this is the kajal which was gifted to me by my in-laws and it's by MAC. And this is how it looks. I'll be entering a swatch so you can see. ये वाला जो काजल है ये मैंने यूज़ नहीं किया है, so I'm going to use it and I'll then review it for you guys. But yeah, it's by MAC, so I'm assuming it should be a nice product. However, you'll see the swatch and you can see it for yourself if you want to buy it or not. Okay, so the next product is a few brushes that I had ordered from my in-law side. Actually just 2 brushes. The first is an eyeshadow brush जो पैक का है. Normally I don't use a lot of brushes. मैं हाथ से अपना eyeshadow करती हूँ या मेरे पास 1-2 brushes already पड़े हुए हैं मैं उससे करती हूँ. So I just ordered one brush which is an eyeshadow brush and the second brush is a powder brush जो मैंने आपको मेरा powder दिखाया था उसको apply करने के लिए I have ordered a powder brush from PAC. एंड इट्स अ रियली नाइस वन. उससे आई थिंक ब्लश भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, कंटोर भी कर सकते हैं एंड या यू विल सी स्क्रीनशॉट्स ऑफ इट हियर सो यू कैन चेक दैट आउट. Okay, so the next makeup item is a mascara. For that I have the L'Oreal Lash Sensational Mascara and you might have seen this mascara in a lot of videos of mine. I love using this mascara. It elongates the lashes, it's waterproof, it thickens the lashes and it looks really nice. It's not very very expensive and yeah, so मैंने यही वाला अपने लिए order किया है. If you're looking for a nice budget friendly mascara, you can check this one out. Okay, so the next makeup item are lipsticks. These are not all of my lipsticks. कुछ lipsticks मैं अपने old collection से लेके जाने वाली हूँ. But yeah, these are new lipsticks which maybe have gotten over and मैंने इसे reorder किया है या कुछ lipsticks जो मुझे try करने थे वो मैंने order किया है. So let's quickly get started. The first lipstick is by MAC. And it's in the shade Meher. I have used this lipstick before and it's a really nice nude color. I mean medium skin shades पे या fair skin tones पे ये बहुत ज़्यादा flattering लगेगा. If you're looking for a really nice nude color, you can check this one out. The second color is again by MAC and it's D for Danger and it's a matte lipstick and it's the one that I'm wearing right now. I really like this color. Weddings पे ये color बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. So yeah, even रात को आप लगा सकते हो if you're going out. And this is the second color. The third lipstick is by Maybelline, and it's in the shade Touch of Nude, and it's a powder lipstick and it's really nice. It's a new lipstick. I just used it 2 to 3 days ago, and I think मुझे Nykaa पे 50% off में मिला था, मैंने इसलिए order किया था. But it's a very nice nude color. If you know me, I'm someone who loves nude colors, and this is the third lipstick. दो और लिपस्टिक्स है जो मेरे इंडोर्स के साइड से मैंने ऑर्डर किया था. बोथ आर फ्रॉम नायका. वन इज इन द शेड हेलिना एंड द अदर इज इन द शेड हेलिन. आई एम गोइंग टू पुट swatches here so you can check that out. Okay guys, so this was it for the video. This was my bridal makeup collection and I hope you guys like it. If you guys like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, and for more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more of my bridal collection videos like my bridal skincare collection, my bridal nightwear collection, do comment down below. I would love to shoot it for you guys. Till then, take care of yourselves. I shall see you guys very soon. Bye.